Problem 1. A mushroom grows the same amount every day. The pictures below were taken by Mary. One picture each day from Monday to Friday. Which of these pictures were taken on Tuesday? To find out which picture was taken on Tuesday, let's arrange the picture in order of size. The smallest picture must be from Monday, option B. The next smallest picture must be from Tuesday, and that is option E. Thus, option E is our answer. Now let's move to problem 2 and take a new challenge. Problem 2. What piece completes the pattern? Let's carefully observe and find the missing piece that completes the pattern. So we would need a complete full leaf, a pointy star in here, a pointy star in here, and a star and a pattern which goes underneath. So let's find out in each option. We see there are two. One, this is not the one. They have two leaves. No. Two leaves. No, we don't need that. We need two pointies, one leaf, and one needs to go underneath. So that is not the one. Seems like our answer is option E. Problem 3. Tyler shades all the squares in the grid where the result is 20. What shape does he get? So 16 plus 4 gives 20. 19 plus 1 gives 20. 28 minus 8 gives 20. 20. 16 minus 4 gives 12 and 21. So we have to find what shape Tyler creates by shading all the squares where the result is 20. And we know this goes in here and this goes. So which one matches? Option A. So option A is our answer. Problem 4. The figure shown below is a 4x4 square grid. How many squares in the figure, possibly by different sizes, do not contain the black dots? These are our options. We have a 4x4 grid and there is a black dot in the second row of the second column. We can make different size squares in this grid. So let's count them and start. So we count all the squares and see how many has this dot. So we have tiny 1x1 squares. That is 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We make it 16. It has 1, which includes it. Try the medium size, the 2x2 square. So 2x2 squares, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in this way we counted 8 and 9. And how many would contain the dots? That would be the 4 will contain dots. Next comes the bigger 3x3 square. So 3x3 square is the size of this square. So how many squares we have? We have 4. 1, then 2, 3, and 4. And how many would contain this dot? That is 4. All of them will contain. Let's move on to the next. The biggest one, a 4x4. 4x4, that is just 4 we have, and which includes 1. So we have 4 square 4x4. We would have include 1 dot. Now we will add it. So we have 16 plus 9 plus 4 gives us total 30, and we have 10. So we have total squares in here is 30 and which contains dot is 10. So how many are left? That is the square without the dot is 30 minus 10 gives us 20, and 20 is our answer, which is option A. Now let's move on to the next puzzle. Problem 5. Which of the following figure has the largest shaded part? And these are our options. Instead of counting the largest shaded parts, let's count the unshaded parts. since they are easiest to calculate. So for this option, we have option A, we have half and half 1, 2, 3. So we make it total 3 in here. Here we have 3 squares, full squares and a half. We have 2 full, 3 and a half. We have 1, 2, 3 and a half. We make half and half 1, 2, 3, 3 and a half. So the most unshaded area, the least one, is option A. That means option A is the one which has the largest shaded part. And this is our answer. Problem 6. George glues these 6 stickers to the faces of a cube. And these are the stickers. The pictures below show the cube in 2 positions. Which sticker is on the opposite face to the duck? So opposite face of the duck. So let's see which one is missing. And that is what we have to find it out. So we see on this that we have ladybug, cancel. We see a mice, we cancel. We see an elephant, we take out elephant, and we see a dog. And we have to find opposite to duck, and the left is the bug. So our answer is option E. Good job. Let's move on to the next problem. Problem 7. Tom has the following 7 pieces. He uses some of these pieces to fully cover this grid without overlap. He uses as many different pieces as possible. How many pieces does Tom use? Since we want to use as many different pieces as possible, we start with the smallest piece and keep adding. So we have 1 piece, we can add 2 pieces, we can add 3 pieces. So we have here 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces, then we add 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4. We cover 4, and let's see how much left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we cover a 7 to just cover everything and not to overlap. So how many pieces in total we got? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 pieces. So we can have 5 pieces we can use in here, and our answer is option C, 5. Good. Let's move on to another problem now. Problem 8. Dinah has 10 boxes. She put 5 pencils in 5 different boxes and 4 erasers in 4 different boxes. Now 2 of the boxes contain both an eraser and a pencil. How many boxes are empty? These are our options. So now let's see that we have 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It says that 5 pencils in 5 different boxes. So we have 5 pencils, different boxes. And 4 erasers in 4 different boxes. Now 2 of the boxes contain both an eraser and a pencil. So let's say this also contains eraser 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have 5 boxes with pencils and 2 of them also has eraser. This means there are 3 boxes that have pencils not there. Similarly, we have the rest. 2 has erasers and 2 has both. So we can see that we can have 3 empty boxes in here. So our answer is option B, 3. That wraps up part A of the first 8 questions from the 2020 Math Kangaroo for grade 3 and 4. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a new challenge. See you in the next problem solving adventure. Stay tuned for part B of the 2020 Math Kangaroo for grade 3 and 4. Thank you.